Residents of Lapangap village in West Jaintia Hills on Wednesday held a peaceful march to the Meghalaya Secretariat in Shillong seeking government intervention over concerns arising from the ongoing border-related situation along the Meghalaya-Assam boundary. The gathering included villagers, women, elders and representatives of local organizations who appealed to the state government to ensure the safety, rights and livelihood of the people living in the area. During the march, the villagers expressed concern over difficulties faced by farmers in accessing and cultivating agricultural land due to the prevailing situation in the border region. They stated that the issue has affected farming activities and created uncertainty among residents who depend on agriculture for their livelihood. The protesters also raised slogans demanding accountability from the government, with some demonstrators calling for Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong and Snubha Langdar to step down over the handling of the issue. The protester later submitted a memorandum to the state government urging authorities to take necessary steps to maintain peace and ensure that local residents are able to continue their agricultural activities without any disruption. In response, the Meghalaya government has reportedly assured that adequate security measures would be put in place in the area to facilitate normal farming activities and maintain law and order.
Stop here!
Kisang bayi yang aku tu bercakap bagi sarkar jangan kilabu iki, dia kiasni ke dikiat malah kesini. Dapat lah selengkap penseran ini di yang cek tu bercakap kimnut. Niwan hang ne ikwa bang ni kenang bangin yo ban rap suk ramsan. Kumba gitre suk hang ne ngiru ikwa ban yo ya garap suk ramsan. Ong ban wan pen Om bang ban kelumar iki ke tang bang ikwa ke hokke. Njuru hagajuru kepar baki dai ban yang mardot ya gitu di polis bocong ha pun Lapangap. Da sisa ai galong ga area jong ke Lapangap. Dan hagajuru kepar ke sarkar ke dai ban yang no ya tu GPS lan badro da kardi. Hadu tad hadu andala dep tan andala dep ha ya pudel sam hangta kila bandro lene ban lekat ba kimon. Kumjuru hagajuru kepar gitu di polis Meghalaya andala dep no ya pudel sam hangta ken kila ban yo hang no ki wa ban song. Yang mentahi ukur jong besong di puasa gitu di polis Assam udah jonggo Lapangap pemdere jongga Assam
Kumta kan ngiwan hang ne ngiwan dawa ya ka hong. Ukpo jongki udap ubiang tang ba ukpo jongi bat dikun jongi beli ke. Ta ka daw ngiru ngim lai sa tang da gijing jenjar sudah po Lapangap. Nadu pesencar ke MDA tu kata kawan gijing jenjar. Nadu arpeu lai arpeu sa arpeu san arpeu riu hadu mentah ap ci ap. Ya no kan ngidang ap haba ka kepala teli hato ngilaban ap. Kajing yap ka ap yengi mentah. Tahu GPS lan ngintip nadu pesencar ke MDA ke bawan mi utau lai mencua ngidang yo ik sarkar ke babiang kamduan de ai ru kata kajing kajia amduan niru gino pentut nanong penwit yengi ngirap tu ngirap san dagi hajar sengam kumba ong gi mencua ngirap su rap san ni im ni sa ni sumsan kata tang baya mentahin nadu pesencar ke NPP ngi yo ik kajing jenjar nadu arpeu lai arpeu sa arpeu san arpeu riu adu mentah tang bang sarkar pat ka ong ini ap ci ap leno kata ke cuban tenti kan wan ngi tad hadu andala ye layap lut plak Lapangap kata jai kata harai ka bor bagi ayengi hadu badala yap lut kata ke karai